Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can begin the setup for this app. So here you can sign in to turn on the sync. I'm gonna do it later. You can enable or disable to show your data preferences. I'm gonna disable it and then move to the next step. The last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. So let's do that. And right here we can start using our browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.